Click Balance Load. With no sample or load on the top jaws, position the sample into the top jaws. So we're going to click on Balance Load. It's set to 0 kip. Press down on the sample.
I have to position the sample to the top jaw?
Yes,
so I'm going to position the sample to the top jaw. As you can see, it's kind of loose. We want it loose, right? And basically, then based on the procedure, I tighten this one and then go back a quarter. Now the sample is basically kind of loose again. Okay, next step.
Press down so the sample falls into the bottom grip. Make sure to do no damage, that no damage will occur.
Okay, so this is the button I'm going to push. So as you can see in here, the sample is going to fall down into the grip. Okay.
Okay, push the sample into the side until it hits the stop and is centered in the jaws.
So it's already centered, as you can see, right in the middle of the machine.
Close the bottom jaws, then loosen them 1/4 turn.
So same thing. I'm going to close it, and then I'm going to basically loosen up a quarter. Now my sample basically is free to move up and down, as you can see, but it's not going to be able to come out, right? So that's the goal, okay? So the sample is basically moving up and down, but not sideways. Okay?
Raise the cross head up to remove slack from the sample.
Okay.
Continue raising until the load of between 0.3 and 0.5 kip is applied.
Okay. So basically, this is what we're going to look at. We're going to basically push the machine up gently. As you can see, I'm just pushing it very gently. But this is fairly sensitive now. Going to go. Okay, now probably from here. It might not. Okay.
Elongation is 0.3 inches, 0.36. So
as you can see, the scales are falling. Okay.
6 inches.
So roughly speaking, here's our yield point. Generally speaking, we would expect a linear kind of behavior here, but sometimes due to the sample installation and friction, we may not get that linear behavior. The load being applied is roughly 10,000 pounds of force, and the sample has been already stretched 0.7 of an inch.
3/4 of an inch now.
Yeah, it's 3/4 now.
So is it fair to say that 1 kip is 1,000 pounds?
Yeah. Now, as you can see, the force is flattening, and that as a result of that material is reaching to its ultimate. So the ultimate tensile strength of material, or UTS, is the maximum load that a sample is handled before it fails. So you can see it's been slowing down.
And we're just about 1 inch for elongation.